Hello and welcome to CatapultCMS. In today's training video, we'll be going over how to edit department pages using our newer templates. We'll walk through how to add a banner, update the banner title, adjust breadcrumbs, and customize your side navigation. We'll also take a look at dynamic columns and how to edit them. To get started, navigate to a page that you would like to edit within the editor. At the top of the page, you'll see a little toggle button here. When you click on that, you'll get quite a few different options. To start, we are going to show the includes banner image. This is how you add a banner to the top of your department page. From here, you have the option to add a banner title and also remove or keep the breadcrumbs. Additionally, in this toggle, you have the ability to select the navigation level. So for example, if we were on the business services page, we could isolate all of the pages underneath to only show those business services pages. This allows you to really customize exactly what you are displaying on that side navigation. Additionally, you can also turn off the side navigation as well if you are trying to create more of a landing page style. Turn that back on for now. Also, you can switch the side in which the navigation shows up. Sometimes the content looks better on the right, sometimes the content looks better on the left. This allows you to have that power right in your hands. Next, we're going to be talking about the dynamic column feature of our department pages. Traditionally, we only had our content locked to a full width content region, 2 50% content regions, and then another 1 full content region. Now, moving forward, we give you the ability to play with those content regions just a little bit more. As you can see, if we were to turn off this side navigation here, we are able to add up to 4 columns per row. This allows your team to create more dynamic content on those subpages, switch it up a little bit, as well as use, sometimes it's best used in lieu of tables. If we do turn that side navigation back on, it does allow for the 4, however, they are fairly small. Best practices would be 3 across. Consider the side navigation your 4th column. When you are done editing your page, be sure to save up here at the top. And then, of course, publish any changes you may have. Thank you for joining me today. We hope you learned how to edit department pages on the newer templates. Have a nice rest of your day.